Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing a little winter refresh around my home. All of my Christmas decor is officially down and I'm slowly bringing in fresh, peaceful, new vibes for the season. There's something about this time of year that makes me crave a clean, calm reset, not rushing into spring, but just creating soft, cozy spaces that feel comforting and beautiful to live in. Now I'm starting here in my living room by giving everything a quick refresh. I'm sweeping the floors, vacuuming the rug, and just clearing away the little bits of everyday life that tend to collect. Cleaning for me isn't just about tidying up, it's honestly one of my favorite ways to reset my mind and create little pockets of peace throughout the day. You may hear my daughter playing in the background here and there, and honestly, that's part of what makes home feel like home. It's never perfectly quiet, but it's filled with life, and I've learned to find beauty in those little moments. Once everything feels fresh and clean, I start wiping down my coffee table, and eventually you'll see me do my fireplace to get them ready for styling. I love starting with these areas because they really set the tone for the entire living room. Now for this year's winter refresh, I'm adding soft pops of pink throughout the space in honor of Love Month, and also because pink has always been my favorite color. There's just something about lighter shades of pink that naturally create feelings of warmth, comfort, and softness. They can make a space feel nurturing, calming, and even a little uplifting. To me personally, light pink brings in a sense of gentle joy, like a quiet reminder to slow down and enjoy where you are. I begin styling the fireplace first, keeping everything simple and intentional. I've really been loving decor that feels airy and peaceful instead of overly cluttered. So just a few meaningful pieces can completely shift the mood of a space.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away, palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
I bring back my floor-length mirror over to this left-hand corner and my olive tree into the space, and then I move over to the coffee table, layering textures and soft details that make the room feel cozy but still fresh for the season. Now I did buy 3 new things for this coffee table this year. This heart marble tray is from Aldi. The pink rectangular tray is from Home Goods. And then the bottle with matches is also from Aldi. And I think they're absolutely beautiful. I've also added the tan peonies from Michael's. These are viral and sell out every year, but I was able to get my hands on a few of those stems and I absolutely love them.
Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you both. You know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly to fly in the sky can ignite. Put me in your arms and your loves and your light. I'm on your way right now. Hey, I'm on your way right now. Hey, I'm on your side now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your ways right now. Yeah.
Next, I style my console table, continuing those same soft paint touches so that everything flows together naturally throughout the living room.
Light inside of me, guiding me. Finally, I can see you. Light inside of me, guiding me. Finally, I can leave you. I got a light inside of me. I got a light that's guiding me.
Once the living room is finished, I move into the kitchen to refresh my counters and stove area. The kitchen is one of the most used spaces in our home, so I love keeping it feeling clean, welcoming, and styled in a way that feels functional for everyday life. I'm adding small decorative touches here, again bringing in those soft pink accents to carry that love month theme throughout the entire home, but in a subtle and cozy way.
Make it juicy. Jamali make it juicy.
to my entryway, of course, I had to add a few pops of pink and love month vibes to that space as well. So I am finally getting around to this DIY that I had planned to do for a couple of years now. This doormat is from at home and the heart was originally red, but I am painting it pink to match my style. And then you'll see me put that in my entryway with a beautiful matching heart wreath that I got from Home Goods a few years ago as well.
You just make me feel sweet, sweet. And together we are complete. You just make me feel sweet, sweet.
Hey DJ, listen. Bring on soul.
When I'm feeling under the weather, you just make me feel sweet. Ice the cocoa tea, use the sugar. And together we are complete. Darling, heat me up. Only you alone can put fire back in the soul. Heat me up. And they telling me I should leave that fire alone. Well, the more they tell me, the more I'm holding you close. I could never let you go. Miss Oceanette, girl, I coming home, I wanna see you again. All day through the night, I'm dreaming. Yeah, Miss Oceanette, way up on the top, make it smooth, my darling. When outside is pouring rain, put a pot on the fire. Bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, it's over. Raise the temperature higher. Coming in, you're coming in, you're coming in closer. Make the thing get your fire. It's all on the ground, all over the counter, yeah. With that
Okay, it's showing up more white on camera, but it's actually a really pretty light pink. So you can see the pink on the bottle, but even here the paint looks white, but it's a pretty light pink. And I'm glad I finally got around to doing this. I think it's so cute.
Could never leave you alone, no. And no matter what they go say, I'm holding you close. I could never let you go. Miss Oceanette, girl, I'm coming home, I wanna see you again. All day through the night, I'm dreaming. Yeah, Miss Oceanette, way up on the top, make it smooth, my darling. When outside is pouring rain, put a pot on the fire. Bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, it's over. Raise the temperature higher. Coming in, you're coming in, you're coming in closer. Make the thing get your fire. It's all on the ground, all over the counter, yeah. With that pot on the fire, yeah.
I truly believe your home should feel like a place that pours back into you. Somewhere that helps you slow down, breathe deeper, and enjoy the season you're in. Thank you so much for spending this peaceful reset with me. If you enjoyed today's winter refresh, don't forget to like, hype, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you never miss when I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!